Hi and welcome to Beware of the Beam. My name is Joachim and this is the Fenix TK11R with 1600 lumen max output and 420 meter reach. The TK11R has the typical design of the Fenix TK series. Is the TK11R an 18650 size shrinked mini version of the TK20R? The TK11R is half a centimeter shorter and about 40 grams lighter than the TK20R version 2, but the head diameter is the same 3.4 centimeter for both. End cap and switches of the TK11R are slightly smaller. The flashlight comes with only 3 lighting modes: high with 1600 lumen, mid with 350 lumen, and low with 30 lumen. And there is a strobe with 1600 lumen. Mid mode can constantly deliver 350 lumen for 4 hours. The high mode starts with 1600 lumen and then drops off to 1000 lumen after some minutes. I wanted to check out after how many minutes the drop off will happen. But even after 15 minutes in high mode it did not happen. The head temperature was 47 degrees Celsius and the body temperature was 43 degrees. That's a nice hand-warming temperature, but does not feel too hot. There are 2 tail switches. The big one switches the lamp on and off. The smaller mode switch is used to toggle the light modes. If you press and hold the mode switch, it will activate the strobe. The lamp has a mode memory, so it will use the last used lighting mode when turned on again. But there is no tactical mode where the lamp is always activated in high mode. The flashlight has Ip68 rating, which means it is absolutely dust-proof and can be dropped into the water for several minutes. The USB-C charging port is inner waterproof. This means the rubber cover is not necessary against protection for water. It takes about 3.5 hours to fully charge the 18650 300-400 mAh battery. The flashlight cannot be used while charging is in progress. On the opposite side of the charging port there is the battery level indicator. When the light is switched on, the LED will show the battery level for a few seconds. The Fenix TK11R does not promise high lumen outputs which can then only be used for a few seconds in turbo mode. I like that the 1600 lumen in high mode can be used for more than 15 minutes. What do you think about the TK11R? If you liked the video, please leave me a thumbs up and see you in the next video.